Go.
Oh my god! What do you want? Jeez, don't just tap me on the shoulders and not say anything.
Bitch, please.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Okay. My boy Kiwi.
Kiwi? What kind of name is that?
Shut the fuck up, you know who Kiwi is.
I don't know anything about Kiwi.
Okay, well, my boy Kiwi says that you've been staring.
Darting or staring?
I already asked him that. And he specifically said staring at your ass.
Staring?
Yes! And because of that, I challenge you to a duel.
A duel?
A duel. I can't say that. But fuck you, bitch, for staring at my Kiwi.
Meet me over there in 2 seconds. Sharp.
Wait, how are we gonna sew this? The good old-fashioned one? Oh, that sounds good. Okay. And old-fashioned.
Careful, because the sharks...
Would you just go? Okay, ready? 1.
Why are we still making this?
You guys are really bad at this.
Why are we still making this?
No, it's not bleeding. Wow, that hurts.
Sounds like an
Turn it
idiot.
off.